I'm Jim Kalari. I'm the editorial director of Plastics Technology magazine. At PTXPO 2023, in response to feedback we got from attendees from last year's show, we added educational components on the extrusion side. Specifically, we had SPE Extrusion Division give a 5-presentation mini seminar on Tuesday of the show on a variety of subjects that included single screw extrusion, die design, twin screw extrusion, and sheet extrusion.
Yeah, I think it's invaluable. I think the ability to network with your peers, also meet with material or equipment suppliers, also to learn what are some new techniques or different techniques that you could apply to your process is very critical to the success of somebody being in the industry. So the ability to learn from people that have a lot of experience versus people that have lower or less experience, I think is critical for that interaction to take place.
We also partnered with TAPPI, which is a major organization in the field of flexible film packaging, on a 5-presentation day, another mini conference that was held on Wednesday of the show, focusing on issues, trends, technology, and troubleshooting for film extrusion processes. That's a theme that we think is important in the extrusion market, to bring education together along with an exhibit, and it's something that we plan on building upon for future shows.
I thought it was a great conference to attend. We talked about compounding of raw materials to be used in processing of plastics. We also talked about die design and how that can be utilized to improve your process, decrease downtime. And then we talked about sizing medium, which I talked about, in order to describe various processes that you could use for different polymers. And then David Stander gave a presentation on blown film and sheet management. Having a strong base in polymer science is going to be critical for us to grow our industry in the United States. So having people join SPE and participate, help us grow our division, help us grow the society as overall is critical to our success. My only final thought is, you'd like to see this continue to expand here with Plastics Technology, offering this forum for people to come together. I think it's important to get people together, to mingle, to interact in order to develop our society as all, and also to make us a strong processor community within the United States.